All right, good evening. This is your USA weather update for Monday, June 8th, 2026. Got quite a bit to talk about across the country today, so let's jump right into things. Here are your top three weather headlines. Severe weather threat continues for the northern plains over the next few days. We are also looking at a flash flooding potential in the eastern Mississippi River Valley. We've already gotten quite a few reports of flooding, especially in northern Alabama around Huntsville, where they are under a flash flood emergency until 6 p.m. Central Time this evening. And we got a big heat wave coming for the central and eastern U.S. this week. So, starting things off with the severe weather, the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded today, Sunday, to a moderate risk. That is level 4 out of 5 on the severe weather scale, and they are using the D word there. Where is it? I had it highlighted. Yes, here it is. The D word, derecho may occur. So, that's something you don't see that often. So, yeah, we could expect a very strong damaging winds across, eastern Montana, western North Dakota, and far northwestern South Dakota. Main threats are going to be, like I said, damaging winds, maybe some hail, and a tornado or two, but the greatest tornado threat's going to be across southwestern Missouri, where we already have a tornado watch. Then going into Monday, this will be the calm, the break that hopefully I get before things get picked back up on throughout the rest of the week. Main threat's going to be damaging winds and large hail for northeastern Colorado and western Nebraska and far southeastern Wyoming. Maybe a tornado or two is also possible. Then on Day 3, which would be Tuesday, severe weather threat continues for the northern plains with a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk for much of North Dakota and far northwest Minnesota. And then going on to Day 4 and 8, Day 4, which would be Wednesday, we are highlighting the area from Minneapolis, basically all the way to Eau Claire and central Wisconsin for a heightened severe weather potential, and a larger area around the Red River of the North. Well, I guess that'll be to the east of the Red River of the North, but big severe weather potential there expected a little east compared to where we've been in the past few days. And then we are also watching for an area across the northern Ohio River Valley for Missouri all the way to Michigan for severe weather potential on Thursday. And then day Friday through Sunday, it's a little too far out to say for sure. Then moving on to the flash flooding potential. For the rest of today, we have a large slight risk area that is in level 2 out of 4 potential for flash flooding. We've already had reports of flash flooding in Huntsville, and we've got quite a bit of rainfall across the Missouri and Mississippi River valleys. This area is going to shift east Monday with a slight risk level 2 out of 4 there, basically from the Tennessee Valley all the way to the western half of the Ohio River Valley. And then we're going to see a few flash flooding potential areas across the Ohio River Valley and the Northern Plains throughout the next few days. But the greatest chances right now are going to be today and Monday for flash flooding. Then moving on to the heat. We're expecting quite a bit of heat across the central and eastern parts of the country. Basically, anywhere that you see in the white is where we could see temperatures in the 90s these next few days. And a large swath of the country is going to be experiencing temperatures in the 90s, particularly in the south central and eastern parts of the country throughout the next few days. Until a cold front will move through late this week into early this weekend, which will cool things down up in the north, but we're still going to keep things hot in the south. And because of that, the Weather Prediction Center has issued level 3 out of 4s for the extreme heat risk. When you start getting into the major category on level 3, that's when things start to really get hot and oppressive. So extreme heat there across the Central Plains for today. Tomorrow it expands, and then Tuesday, actually this is Wednesday, big heat for the Central Plains and into the Northeast with some potential level 4 out of 4 for far north central Oklahoma. We shift the area a little bit farther towards the east on Thursday because the cold front's going to move and cool things off in the north central plains. And then we'll cool things off a little bit more across the northern plains thanks to a cold front on Friday as well. And then Saturday we'll again start to cool things off, but we'll still keep the heat for the south central part of the country and for parts of the eastern seaboard as well. But that's all I have for you today. Because of the severe weather threat, I am monitoring and I plan on going live tonight. Probably being later this evening, though. I got a few things I gotta do before then, and the severe weather threat's not expected to really ramp up until a few hours from now. But I do plan on going live tonight, so stay tuned for that. Until then, have a good one, and I'll see you later tonight.